To invoke the Lotusborn Guru, we recite the 7-line prayer 3 times. At the same time, in the sky before us, we visualize the paradise of Zangdopalri with Guru Rinpoche and his retinue of vidyadharas, dakas, and dakinis. Then, what we visualize in the sky dissolves into the visualization we have already created. The buddhafield dissolves into the buddhafield. Vajrayogini dissolves into Vajrayogini. Guru Rinpoche dissolves into Guru Rinpoche, and the retinue of deities, dakas, and dakinis into the corresponding retinue. In this way, the jnanasattva, the wisdom deities invited from the buddhafields, and the samayasattva, which is our initial visualization, merge indivisibly into one.